If you're looking to simplify the process of managing employee benefits, you've come to the right place. Today, we are diving into how to use Deel's employee benefits feature and how it can streamline your payroll and benefit administration. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a large team, this tool can help you stay organized and ensure that your employees are getting the benefits they deserve. Deel's employee benefits system allows you to set up, manage, and administer a variety of benefits for your global team. You can create benefits packages tailored to different employee needs, whether it's health insurance, retirement plans, or other perks. This flexibility is especially useful for companies that have remote teams spread across different regions, as Deel integrates with local providers, ensuring that your employees get region-specific benefits. The setup process is simple. Once you're in the Deel dashboard, you'll see an easy-to-navigate interface where you can customize benefits packages based on employee location, job type, and your company's budget. Deel even helps with compliance by keeping track of local laws and regulations, so you don't have to worry about meeting legal requirements when offering benefits in different countries. This feature is a game changer for businesses hiring internationally. Managing employee benefits through Deel is intuitive. Once you've set up the benefits packages, Deel automatically applies them when you onboard new employees or contractors. You'll have the option to review and update benefits regularly, ensuring everything is up to date. Plus, Deel offers detailed reports that help you keep track of benefit utilization, so you can analyze what's working and what isn't. The software also ensures a smooth employee experience. Employees can easily access and view their benefits through Deel's platform. They can make adjustments like updating their health plan or adding dependents with just a few clicks. This self-service model saves your HR team time and helps employees feel more in control of their benefits. As you can imagine, this level of convenience isn't limited to just administrative tasks. Deel's employee benefits feature helps reduce errors, avoid redundancies, and maintain transparency with your team. If you're growing fast, the ability to manage benefits at scale becomes crucial. Deel makes it effortless to handle multiple employees, no matter where they're based. Now here's the best part. Deel is offering an exclusive opportunity for you to try their software for free. That's right, you can access Deel's employee benefits system and see how it works for your business at absolutely no cost. Just click the link below to claim your extended free trial and get started right away. No contracts, no hidden fees, just pure value to help streamline your employee benefits management. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools and knowledge you need to use Deel's employee benefits feature like a pro. Don't miss out on the chance to simplify your workflow and offer better benefits to your employees while staying compliant and organized. Check the first link below for your exclusive free trial and get started today.